Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am showing you all very quick and easy recipe of Goan chicken Rava fry. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं. तर आयज हांव तुमकां सिंपल इजी रेसिपी जी आसा ती आमची चिकन रवा फ्राय. तर तेका लागून तुमकां चिकन घेवचें पडटलें. चिकन ब्रेस्ट पीस आनी त्यो पात्तो अश्यो कातरूंक जाय. हे चिकन ब्रेस्ट पीस हे हांवें एक ब्रेस्ट पीस घेतलेले आनी तेजे बारीक अशे कातरूंक जाय. ओके, सो यू हॅव टू स्लाइस लायक दीस चिकन ब्रेस्ट size according to you, and then you take anything so that you can beat the chicken like this. Okay, I have already done here. So you have to beat it and flatten it more, so when it fries it will fry nicely. So then we need some semolina oil for frying, and that's it. So now we will marinate this with our masala. I have already marinated this with ginger garlic paste and lime juice and salt. Okay, now we'll add our turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon, and coriander powder, half teaspoon. This is enough for this quantity. Mix this all together, all this, and we'll also add some 1/4 of in this semolina, 1/4 of chili in this, and 1/4 of this. So add that. We add a pinch of salt in this and pinch of salt in this. So this is our marination. Then we add crushed pepper, little bit in this, little bit in this, and the chicken. Now we'll sprinkle this on all. Tap this all, turn it. So you apply this both the side. Can apply anything, whatever you want, but this is how I do. Okay, now we'll mix this also together. Now we'll have to dip this into rava. And we have to fry this. Very simple, and then you can eat crunchy or however you want. Okay, So now this is ready to fry. And we'll fry this. I have added oil over here, kept it to become hot. So now we'll fry this. So fry this till golden brown, then we will flip flop it. So now we'll flip flop this. So here it is ready. So we'll take out from the plate, and our chicken Rava fry is ready to serve. So enjoy this and do let me know how did you like this dish. So झाले आमचे ये चिकन रवा फ्राय आणि मानता की तुमकां बरें लागतले आणि टेस्ट करून पण बरें शिजला. एकदम टेस्टी. ट्राय करात. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं. वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल अँड सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता गांवठी बगर आणि गांवठी बगराक जाय फकत आतां सद्या आतां फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आय एम ट्रायंग टू फ्राय सम ऑनियन. सो यू टेक एनी ऑनियन. आय टेकन वन ऑनियन white and I'm just going to caramelize this. Just fry this for a few minutes. And chicken of course you need. So I will show you why I am saying it. Gaunti local Goan chicken burger. Why it is. We'll add little bit of salt in this onion. So this is nicely caramelized. Now we'll remove this and we'll saute 2 tomatoes. Now in this only, no adding oil, we'll just saute this tomatoes. Now if you don't want to, then you can put like without frying this, but it gives nice taste. That's why I am doing this. So now this is nicely sauteed. Then you can use any leaf, salad leaf, or you can use cabbage. So this is homegrown khale leaf. So I'm going to use this and just fry this leaf over here. Nothing, just fry. Kale is like cabbage only. So we had grown it in our home garden, but you get it in the market also, and we will just fry this for few minutes to go in a Gaunty burger. Okay, this is done. And here it is ready to serve.